Myntri Rangbah ke Jelau Conrad Kongkal Sangma habe keren bagi nong patai kubor ulong bah kini gilai sengi gibelalet palat lai sepangut ki Samla Pule ki badan ha Jela Manipur ki ladat banwan lam no iki syag Jela Meghalaya. Mat ke sorkar Jela kala pensi ke jinglot ya kalit kawan jongki. Bat ha ka praterek ujemang ar hajar ar pulai lapan kre kelingsun kabamin Empal Manipur banwan Cheshelong. Conrad Kongkal Sangma ulia tu bah kesengi ke beningkong kilami kijing abah kesorkar pedangkam Samla eki chartered flight Empal. Ndai kesorkar Jela klasim kia kene kamat balala ban penbet no ya kene kamat. Ulia tu bah kene kesengi la jan barok Samla Pule la dat bermana lam no eki Meghalaya de kebasuk. Lat no tang iwei ne arngut ki Samla Pule namar ki daw ki bamla kiar. Ndai kendai pukunai ne kesispat ne Samla Pule ke Jela kelawan poi de kebasuk shalaying. Laong Myntri Rangbah.
Yeah, most probably the last group of students just landed in Shillong directly. There was one more flight we organized today directly from Imphal to Shillong. So in the last 3 days, almost 300 plus students have been brought from there, and government of Meghalaya has paid for almost all of them. Maybe there was some advance or some written, they had to give some kind of undertaking. But those were technical problems. As you're aware that we had a lot of technical issues. As government of India insisted on not sending chartered flights, and hence we had to take the commercial flights, and that required each student to pay by themselves to their own personal account or through the cash. And hence, even though government wanted to book the tickets in the first day especially, we had a lot of challenges. But in the next few days, yesterday and today, and day for yesterday, we were able to then resolve those issues. And today, almost all the students are out, barring maybe just one or two, maybe because of technical reasons. But 99% of our students are back now in Meghalaya.
Ha kawai pat kaliang Myntri Rangbah ulia tu bah ka pratrek ujemang arajar arpulai. Kijat benriau na ke Jela Manipur ki basyong basa Meghalaya kilawani kendo yu ban pa ne ke jingkershan na ke benta ban penti kena bakan don ke syongsuk syongsan ke Jela Meghalaya. Kini ginong yalam ki balali kendo yu Conrad Kongkal Sangma kidai na kejat menriu mar bat kuki. Ha kaba kila kerpat yu Myntri Rangbah banyarap lem ki bahayang bahasa mjongki ban wanphai ke Jela Meghalaya. Bat gila kenturu ya Myntri Rangbah kumunong yalam keseng NPP ban shim kia lem ya kene kejingja hapok keseng NPP kenang begini ok menekeren. Myntri Rangbah ulong basyan wansalet Delhi bat nasishim kia kene kamat kamtam hakabon wanra ya ka syongsuk syongsan ke Jela Manipur. Myntri Rangbah ulah kentui ginong syong ke Jela Manipur bat gijat benreu bapher bakin penek ke syongsuk syongsan bat ban sange shisendon ki kam yu snam bat gijing baro ki bami dei bani penbet da ke jing ekran ni sngutu jingmut.
Some of the concerned citizens and some of the leaders from the Mar community and the other communities of the Kuki communities, they had met me and they have asked for whatever support we can give from our side as a state government, especially to ensure that there is peace in Shillong, number one. Number two, wherever the family members of anybody, any family members of any of the Kuki families or the families who are coming to Shillong to be with their family during these difficult times, if there can be any way the government can give support. So we have asked Deputy Commissioner to look into that matter, and they've also asked us to take up some of the issues and concerns with the central government as a political party. So those things also, I'll be going to Delhi soon. So whenever I get the opportunity, definitely I'll take up the matter, as overall peace in the state of Manipur is important for the overall peace in the northeast region, and all the situation that has happened in the last few days has been very unfortunate. And I once again, through all of you, would like to appeal to the people of Manipur and the communities that are involved that whatever it is, we must try to ensure that peace is there and violence should not continue. And whatever the problems that are there, we should sit down and through dialogue, we should try to resolve these problems.